Flood warning in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Caused by excessive rainfall and runoff. Where? Portions of Kentucky and Ohio, including the following counties. In Kentucky, Bracken, Lewis, Mason, and Robertson. In Ohio, Adams, Brown, and Scioto. When? Until 9:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. Impacts. Flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details. At 2:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the public reported flooding along Kentucky -980 million between mile makers 1.2 and 7.3.
Holy shit.
Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible. Some locations that may experience flooding include Portsmouth, Maysville, Wheelersburg, Washington,
Holy shit,
West
Portsmouth is in
New
this.
Boston, Manchester, Ripley, Aberdeen,
And Aberdeen.
Greenup, South Webster, Lewisburg, Rome, Toolsboro, Camp Dix, Head and Crabtree, Newfoundland, Sciotadale, and Franklin Furnace.
Camp Dix.
Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. To report flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILR and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now here is the official national
Funniest shit I've heard today, Camp Dix.